Crafting the perfect resume can be daunting, but your LinkedIn profile is a goldmine of potential. Simply start by selecting Import from LinkedIn to fetch all relevant details effortlessly. It's crucial to choose a template that not only reflects your personality but also stands out. While most of your LinkedIn content will import automatically, don't forget to tailor it. Personalizing your resume sections enhances your brand and speaks directly to potential employers. Remember, less is more. Keep your resume concise, ideally 1 or 2 pages long. With limited space, prioritize the experience that showcases your skills and accomplishments best. Be bold. Use powerful keywords that resonate with your industry to capture attention instantly. Don't just summarize, make every word count to create an impactful first impression. Transform your LinkedIn profile into a compelling resume and open new doors to opportunity.